While the paint's drying on this piece, I want to show you something interesting. Something you might not see, and it's quite an easy mistake to make. This gear stick is off an LT85. This gear stick is off an R380 or an LT77. The reason for that is that the gearbox, if we put it like that though, the shift was further forward on the LT85. Now, I've done something very interesting. I haven't covered this yet. We'll come back to this in a minute because the paint's not quite dry yet. But I played around with my shaft and I've come up with a better idea, and I think you're going to like it. And here it is. I cut the shaft off here and I moved this 90 degrees so I've got bags of room, look. And it's closer to the driver, and I can move it around a little bit if I need to, you know, like I want to move it around there. I can put it anywhere I want. That saves me moving that. That's a job. That was a bugger to drill out, I must admit, because it's hardened. Anyway, never mind, we got through it with a masonry bit. But I think now if I put my gaiter on, that's going to look really nice, you know, because we can bring the gaiter round over here. That's going to be good. I like that. So now I'll weld it up. This one's already got the rubber on, so we're alright. Give it a coat of paint, Bob's your uncle. But when you sat from my position in the driver's seat, I mean, this is how easy it is to drive, look, to shift gear, look. Do it with your little finger. There's nothing to it, and the stroke's not too bad. And there you go, see, that's reverse. That's fifth. So I've got plenty of room now between these two shifts. Yeah, I think on Mark 2 I will move that further forward, but that saves me an awful lot of messing about. So now Jim can get on and make me a cover.